Today we're making ramen.
Glistening, delicious ramen.
First up is the ingredients. We have a pork tenderloin marinated for 2 days in black soy sauce, a fermented chili bean paste, salt and white pepper, scallions, and garlic.
Jesus.
Marinated in the soil for about 3 months, I think. 2 quarts of pre-made chicken broth because you don't have time to make that. Dehydrated mushrooms that you've had for 6 months and you're now rehydrating. Mm-hmm. It's imperative you've had them for 6 months.
They have to be rock hard.
Woo! Chinese cooking wine because we don't have mirin and yeah, we're just gonna wing it. Thin soy sauce to keep you thin. And sesame oil for some fattiness to our broth. And 3 eggs. You know, this is how Inception ends. Some nori, or seaweed. Nori is also a great snack in Japan.
Sugoi!
Kawaii.
That's what you got there.
Also, we have cuttlefish balls. We couldn't find Naruto fish cakes. We wanted to add some more.
Did you know cuttlefish also have 8 testicles?
And of course some pre-made noodles, because we have lives and you do too.
Yep.
So first preheat your oven to 375. Then you're going to put a roasting rack on the bottom to catch the drippings. And you're going to put the pork just right on the grill itself.
Ooh.
This way we're going to get it really nice and crispy, get plenty of airflow around it.
Yeah.
And leave that in there for an hour.
1, 2.
We're just throwing this stuff right in the broth, so we want to just get it a little bit.
Whoa, these rehydrated pretty quick, huh?
Yeah. It went from hard to really spongy and soft.
It actually works better. Ooh, did you get that knife sound?
I did.
Nice.
Yeah, we're using these since we're using chicken broth. I wanted to add some more umami to the broth.
Yeah, you just want to combine all those like savory flavors.
All right, this next step is a doozy. Heat a pot, pour your broth in it.
So, while your stock is still cold, go ahead and add your other, well, stock ingredients.
Don't let the heat. So as you can see, we brought it up to a boil and we turned it down to a simmer.
Yep.
Broth's a little bit darker now, probably from some of the mushroom pigment. All right, so we're gonna soft boil eggs instead of hard boil because we want them to have that nice little runny interior.
That luxurious and jamminess.
I've never actually done it before, so we'll see what happens. And I believe we're going to let this sit in this gentle boil for about 6 minutes.
6.5, Dennis.
I said about.
Jeez.
And as we've talked before, but never really demonstrated, you can always taste your food and see how the seasoning is.
Oh, we taste it all the time.
Needs salt. But we haven't added the soy sauce
Well,
yet.
duh. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna start peeling these now. They've been in the ice bath. It should be a lot easier to peel. Well, Brenton was here to help. No! You didn't see that. Brenton! I need you!
We
So,
did
this
it.
was my egg. This is Brenton's.
But Dennis also got this one done. So, redemption!
3rd time's the charm, baby!
Yeah, you just gotta be careful. Yeah, these are, I mean, you can get any assortment of various fish cakes, like the those pink swirl cakes from Naruto, cuttlefish balls. They make sticks too. I've seen tofu. Yeah, there's no end.
Alright, so now we're gonna add the rest of the flavors to our broth. Now that we're coming to the end, we just want everything to incorporate, so we're gonna add quite a bit of soy sauce. I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time and see how flavor changes, you know?
Yeah,
We both sign off on it.
you probably should be a little, yeah, a little
Stir it up.
sparing with the wine.
Also surprised, we had ginger and we just realized it, so we're gonna add it.
All right, did we cook it?
Yeah, we let it rest for about 5 minutes, so let's see how it turned out.
This is probably the more cooked one because it's super thin.
So as you can see, the balls are now floating, which means they are done.
Woohoo!
We're gonna fish them out, and because we don't want to dirty more pots, we're just gonna dump out the water and put in fresh water to boil our noodles.
Yeah,
Because we don't want our noodles to taste like fish.
noodle hype. I do it.
Fish me a big one. Alright, we replaced the water and we got it boiling. Now we're gonna drop in our noodles. And usually it's kind of like soft and you can kind of like twist them when you put them in, but...
Alright, let's taste. Oh, these noodles are great. Definitely tastes like ramen. Ah, so nice.
Yeah, I think the only thing that could be improved upon is the broth. We just need like some miso paste or something, which we didn't quite find. I've always promised to be honest with you.
This tenderloin is so tender. Great job.
Thank you. I'll take credit for that. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like honesty. I'm trying to get this hot water on you.
Dripping boiling water on me.
Of course.